So just now I took a shower. So before taking a shower, uh, I went out uh, somewhere around. I don't remember the time. I somehow when I came back, somewhere around 10, 2200, somewhere around. So while going from here, there was a heavy rainfall. I had no clue what to do. Suddenly it started on the road. So I waited near the bus stop nearby. So I saw a very wonderful thing there. Look, God does this for what do you call it? Do this to me for a reason. Look, I found this guy over there. Arey, I'll get the time now, Baba. What's the time of this picture? Uh, 21:57. I said somewhere near 2200. So I got this guy there. Beautiful creature. This is a shot. So I found this guy over there. What should I call him? The stranger. I am a stranger to him. I went into his, what do you call it, his territory. You know? So he was there. A big giant thing. By the size of my palm. So I saw him, I took a picture. Then I didn't bother much. He was having his time there. So what should I say? Hmm? It holds the case details as well. When I came back somewhere around 2200. And look, who the bastards who are after me, who are these fuck? Huh? Who are these? Nothing but a, what do you call it, stretch to everyone. Data, they made the data viral first, and then they are playing the race game, age game, muscle game, and what gender game. Then, what more games they have got to do? Tech, illiterate and literate game. They are only playing games and troubling the, what do you call it? Spreading evilness in the society, environment, nothing else.